Hi, welcome back. Got a very quick one for you today. I don't know about you, but I'm very lazy, and when I'm drilling holes and so on, the bits I'm using, the centre drills, the deburring tools, tend to just get piled up on the tailstock, roll around, sometimes fall down into the chip tray, and it's not great. So a while ago, I think it was on Adam Savage's Tested, he made a little tailstock caddy for his tailstock, so I'm now going to do the same. So this is the thing. I have put in a series of channels, so we've got 1/2 inch, 3/8, quarter, or I think it says 6.5, 10 and 13, so suitable for a variety of sizes of parts. I put in these channels at right angles to allow you to get your fingers in and grab hold of the part. There's a couple of open ends on there which allow longer tools just to stick out a bit. And then finally I've got some recesses in the base for magnets so that it can just be stuck to the tailstock and then removed if it's in the way. So of course you don't have to use this as a tailstock caddy. This is the first attempt without the perpendicular slots in, and this is perfect for storing reamers or any other sort of tool. I mean, you can put end mills, or I think you can buy, I've seen these for end mills and so on. They're quite expensive. So that's just another idea. Right, now we just need to put the magnets and glue them in. That sticks quite well. Right, so that's that done. Nice useful addition to the lathe. Because it's on magnets, I can just take it off if I want to say put the mister on there, which I sometimes do. I've put the files on printables.com, link down in the description. I've also created a drawing because there's no reason why you couldn't machine this from solid, either manually or with a CNC or something. There's both the STL file for 3D printing it directly, or the F3D file if you wanted to modify it to fit your own lathe. Hope you found that useful. Thanks for watching.